Before you type your card number into beautylus.com, it helps to know the site runs its own internal review system, meaning the store itself controls which reviews appear, get edited, or disappear, and that alone should shape how much weight you give any glowing feedback you see on the page. Beyond that detail, the domain itself is quite young, which website trust checkers flag as a reason for extra caution, though a new domain by itself doesn't prove a store is fraudulent. Plenty of legitimate small businesses start out this way. What raises the concern further is that automated site safety tools, including Scam Advisor and Scam Detector, both return low trust scores after running the domain through dozens of risk indicators, with one labeling the site questionable rather than clearly safe. There's no confirmed evidence of malware or spam tied specifically to this domain, but the absence of red flags in those two categories doesn't cancel out the ones that did appear. What I couldn't verify independently is anything about the actual shopping experience, product quality, real shipping timelines, or how refund requests get handled, because there isn't a solid base of external reviews on platforms the store doesn't control. Put together, a young domain, a self-managed review system, and a low automated trust score is exactly the combination these scam detection tools are designed to flag. If you're still tempted to order, keep the purchase small. Use a payment method that offers buyer protection, and watch your statement closely afterward. As it stands, there isn't enough independent evidence to call beautylus.com trustworthy, and the available risk indicators lean toward caution rather than confidence. So I'd hold off or order carefully rather than treat it as a safe bet.